In this question, we need to isolate angle A, right? So ladies and gentlemen, we need to isolate this guy, right? Remember, what we need to isolate must be on the numerator, but now it is on the denominator. So I have to swap the numerators and the denominators. And what I do on the left, I must also do on the right. So let's swap. We're going to have sine A over small a is equals to sine B over small b. And we need to isolate the A. The A is dividing on the left, so it must multiply on the right. Or in simple terms, we can say we multiply by A on both sides. This A will cancel that one. This side will have to sine A is equals to sine B times A is going to be A sine B. Or you can say sine B times A is still fine. All over B. Then remember to cancel the sign, we introduce its inverse on both sides. So arc sine sine A equals to arc sine into A sine B over B. And that this and that cancels, so that side we left with A equals to arc sine A sine B over B. And that is A being isolated, ladies and gentlemen. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to share with family and friends and to subscribe. Before I go, let me share a common mistake. Learners try to introduce sine -1 too early. I need to remind you, only invite the inverse sine once sine A is completely alone. So you need to isolate the sine A first, or the tan A, the cosine, before you introduce the what? The arc sine, the arc tan, and the arc cos. Thank you very much.